Hello. Did you know that this red tea, so common on the shelves of health food stores, might be much more powerful than you think? I'm talking about hibiscus tea, or flor de Jamaica as it's known in many parts of the world. It's gained a reputation for aiding weight loss, improving heart health, and lowering blood pressure. But is it true? Or is it just another health trend that will fade away? Today, I'll share 7 benefits of hibiscus tea and explain exactly what happens to your body when you start drinking it daily. And there's more. At the end of this video, I'll reveal a powerful secret, a simple combination that can greatly enhance its medicinal properties. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any health tips like this. And of course, share this video with your friends and family. Now tell me, have you ever tried hibiscus tea? Do you enjoy it? Or do you find the flavor too tart? And where are you watching this from? Let me know in the comments. What are the 7 amazing benefits of hibiscus tea for your health? Or do you still think hibiscus is just a pretty flower in the garden? No, it's a true natural pharmacy, as you're about to see. First benefit, and one of the most impressive, it lowers blood pressure. Many people avoid certain teas out of fear they might raise blood pressure, like ginger tea. But hibiscus? For those with high blood pressure, it's fantastic. In fact, hibiscus tea is considered the best tea for high blood pressure. I'll say it again, the best. It relaxes and dilates the arteries, improving blood flow. If you or someone in your family has high blood pressure and is looking for a natural way to manage it, this should be part of your routine. A study from Tufts University in the US showed that drinking 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 6 millimeters of mercury. For comparison, that's about the same effect as captopril, but without the side effects. While medications can cause coughing, swelling, or changes in taste, hibiscus doesn't have these issues. Of course, if you're on blood pressure medication, don't stop or replace it with hibiscus tea. Only your doctor can adjust your dosage or treatment. Another comparison. A clinical study called Premature found that lifestyle changes like diet and exercise can lower blood pressure by around 5 millimeters of mercury. 3 cups of hibiscus tea a day achieved a reduction of 6 millimeters of mercury. If everyone drank hibiscus tea, there could be 14% fewer stroke deaths and 9% fewer heart attacks without drastic changes to their routines. Second benefit, hibiscus tea aids weight loss. And as you know, losing weight also improves blood pressure. When I first read about this, I doubted it, but further research convinced me. Hibiscus tea is a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate excess fluids, and it directly targets fat cells, especially in the abdominal area, the most dangerous type of fat. Studies show that hibiscus inhibits the lipase enzyme, which is responsible for fat absorption. In simple terms, the tea prevents your body from absorbing all the fat you consume, allowing it to pass through instead. This helps reduce deep visceral fat and regulates insulin levels, controlling your appetite and cravings, making weight loss easier. A laboratory study even demonstrated that hibiscus extract reduced fat formation by up to 95% in stem cells. Although not tested on humans, this suggests hibiscus has great potential to prevent fat accumulation. Third benefit, it boosts immunity and slows aging. I mentioned earlier that hibiscus tea is the best for blood pressure. Here's another top ranking. In a comparison of over 280 beverages, hibiscus tea was crowned the drink with the highest antioxidant content, even surpassing green tea. Hibiscus flowers are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and anthocyanins. These antioxidants fight free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging and chronic diseases like arthritis, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. Drinking hibiscus tea delivers a powerful dose of antioxidants to protect your cells from damage, keeping your skin and organs younger for longer. It also strengthens your immune system, reducing the risk of colds and flu. Fourth benefit, it improves cardiovascular health. This one's obvious. Lowering blood pressure alone reduces your risk. But hibiscus tea has other heart benefits too. It helps reduce inflammation markers like C-reactive protein and can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and triglycerides, 2 major contributors to arterial plaque buildup. By doing so, hibiscus tea improves blood circulation, reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes, and supports overall cardiovascular health. Fifth benefit, it protects your liver. Do you have fatty liver disease? Then listen closely. Hibiscus tea supports liver health due to its potent antioxidant properties. The liver filters harmful substances from the body, and hibiscus acts as a powerful ally, helping it function efficiently. Laboratory studies have even shown that hibiscus extract can have anti-cancer activity in liver cells, supporting long-term liver health and preventing severe conditions. Sixth benefit, it aids digestion. If you often feel bloated even after eating little, hibiscus tea can be a big help. It reduces discomfort and inflammation in the stomach. The flavonoids, chlorogenic acid, and anthocyanins in hibiscus help eliminate water retention and act as a mild laxative, relieving symptoms like heartburn, gas, and bloating. Seventh benefit, it reduces stress. If you constantly feel stressed, restless, or unable to relax, hibiscus tea might be just what you need. It's a natural tranquilizer that helps reduce anxiety and provides the relief you've been seeking. And the best part? You can drink it at night without worrying about caffeine disrupting your sleep, allowing for natural relaxation and better overall well-being. Risks and side effects of hibiscus tea. But wait, are there risks or side effects? Yes, and it's important to know both sides. First, it can lower blood pressure. If your blood pressure is already low, hibiscus might make you feel dizzy or even faint. Second, it can interact with medications, such as blood thinners, and excessive consumption could strain your liver, so stick to a maximum of 3 cups per day. Third, pregnant women should avoid hibiscus tea, as it may cause complications. Fourth, its acidity can affect tooth enamel. To prevent this, drink with a straw or rinse your mouth with water after drinking. How to prepare hibiscus tea? Never made it before? It's simple. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus for every 500 milliliter water. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm for a laxative effect or cold for a refreshing experience. How to enhance hibiscus tea? Here's a tip. Add a cinnamon stick. Not only does it improve the flavor, but cinnamon also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is great for heart health. This combination can also boost your metabolism, supporting weight control and fat burning. Hibiscus and cinnamon are a natural, delicious duo to care for your body. Did you enjoy this video? If so, like and share it. Send it to someone who needs to know about hibiscus benefits, has high blood pressure, or loves taking care of their skin. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. And since you've made it this far, I'm going to share 3 relevant recommendations that are popping up for you. My video on what your doctor won't say about drinking water on an empty stomach, and my video on the 7 powerful health benefits of cinnamon every day. You need to know more about it too. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote everyone's well-being. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.